Unearthing the Meaning, Rock Drill, explained. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might have left some of you scratching your heads: rock drill. We're not just talking about construction equipment. This phrase can carry a metaphorical meaning too. Stay tuned as we drill down into the details and unearth the layers of understanding. When you hear the term rock drill, the first image that might pop into your mind is that of a powerful tool used in construction or mining. A rock drill is designed to bore into rock. Whether that's to create tunnels, prepare foundations, or search for minerals. It's all about precision and power, two keywords to remember for this literal sense. Beyond its concrete meaning, rock drill can also be a metaphor. In everyday language, someone might say they're doing a rock drill when they're intensely focusing on a task, breaking down a complex problem, or going through rigorous training. It's the essence of hard work and determination that's encapsulated in this usage. To help you understand how to use rock drill in both contexts, let's look at some examples. Literal: the construction workers used a rock drill to prepare the site for the new skyscraper. Metaphorical: our team went through a rock drill of preparations for the product launch. These sentences show how versatile the term can be, highlighting its usage in both a practical and figurative sense. Whether you're talking about the tool that breaks through stone or the steadfast effort to overcome obstacles, rock drill is a phrase rich in meaning. We hope this video has shed some light on how you can use it in different contexts. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to wield English expressions with the precision of a rock drill going through granite. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.